Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna build our first PC. So let's get started. Okay, so for our motherboard we have MSI Z390 Pro, A Pro. Let's see how this motherboard looks. So it's wrapped in this anti-static plastic, and of course we have some manuals here. SATA cables, sticker. Okay, how to mount the cooler and the PC unit. And this is for the case. And for M2 SSD we have these two screws. No, one screw. Okay guys, here is this motherboard. It has a huge heatsink, also for PCI Express reinforced. Also a lot of different PCI for sound cards and Wi-Fi cards. And yeah, this is it. RAM is over here, CPU unit, and I need to read the manual for the connectors where they go. Okay guys, here we have solid state SSD M2 unit from Samsung, 1 terabyte. So this is a pretty fast drive for gaming, of course. And you can see on this motherboard we have an M2 slot right here. It has only one, I think, and it has this screw pre-installed, so yeah, that's why we got only one to tie it down. And for our CPU unit we have Intel Core i7. This one is unlocked, so we cannot overclock it. It is base 3.6 gigahertz, so we can make a lot of more if we overclock it, but for later. Let's install our SSD first, and then we're gonna install the CPU. Solid state drive right over here. Okay guys, so we don't have normal M2 SSD, we have M2 NVMe, which is smaller, so which means we just need to put the screw one spot down. Yeah, you put it like this, and then it goes down, so you can screw it in. Now the CPU unit, let's get this bad boy out. And you have this triangle pointing here, and you should look for this. And it also has these two circles, they fit in right here. Yeah, it should go like this. And yeah, voila. Okay guys, so for our memory we have Corsair DR4 Vengeance Pro RGB. So this mainboard doesn't have any RGB, so we have RAM for some colors, so it won't be so blue. DDR4 2 times 8 gigabytes, that's 16 total, 3200 megahertz. So on this motherboard we need to put on the slot 2 and 4 our RAMs, and we can always upgrade for more. you just need to locate the pins. So one side has more pins, the other side has less pins, so that's it. And we just put it in here and we go down, 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 and it should make a click. Okay. One more for now. And it's in. Okay. Now we move on. We have CPU cooler and thermal paste. So we have Noctua cooler NHD9L D-type tower cooler. Pretty nice cooler from Noctua. They are from Austria, and it's all about the cooling. So let's get started. This one has low profile tower designed for better airflow efficiency, so that's what we want. We have one premium fan. We can also get the secondary fan if we want to. 100% compatibility with RAM and also PCI cards. Low noise adapter. Different types of mounting system for Intel chipset and also AMD chipset, and it has compatibility with past and future sockets. So yeah, pretty amazing from Noctua. And let's open this box. So here we have the accessories and thermal paste, also for low noise adapter, one more cable, and also for one extra fan if we want to install it. And you can see here Intel chips, the mounting system for Intel and AMD are different. And here we have manuals in the manual, and yeah, this one is pretty nice. Thermal paste. Okay, now I have it in the right direction. Now we need to remove these pins and remove the fan so we can untie the screws. Then we put the fan right back and those pins, and that's about it. Oh, we need to apply thermal paste, of course. We get this nice Noctua badge. Pretty amazing. Also this cable for more silent fan, and we also get these two extra pins for another cooler. Then we can put it on, but I think I don't have the space. Now we just need to get these pins out and remove the cooler, I mean the fan from this cooler. Okay guys, we connected and mounted the CPU cooling system from Noctua, and now we need to put this in the case. Okay guys, for our case we have Corsair 275 our airflow. It's designed for the airflow obviously, and it has three fans already pre-installed. And let's open this box. Okay, it has this magnetic field filter on the top. Pretty nice if you want to install a water cooling, then the filters go on top. It also has USB 3, or I think two USB 3 here, power on button, mic, and also reset button. Okay, uh, yeah, here's the glass. Pretty nice, so you can see the inside. Also, the front side is pretty nice, where the airflow goes in, and this is the back side. And let's the manual. Okay, let's open the front side and let's see how it looks. I think this front side pops off, but I need to read the manual first. So this is the inside. It has nice cable management. You can see you can put it here in the back, and yeah, pre-installed back fan and pre-installed two front fans. We need to install this USB 3 and audio, and also reset power and power LED plus minus. Okay. Okay guys, we got this motherboard in our case, and it doesn't need another extra case standoff because it's this case is pretty nice for this motherboard. So we just screw these in, and that's about it. We need 9 of these screws, so let's get started. Okay, so good thing here is we have this manual from the motherboard, and it shows you where to pin the power reset and what are these? Power LED plus and minus, so it's pretty nice. So the first two pins are for hard drive LED, and the second two are for reset, bottom ones, and the top ones are power switch, and the last two ones, power LED plus, are at the start, so the plus is first, and then it is minus, and there power switch. Okay guys, so next off we're gonna install the power supply. We got this from Be Quiet, and I think they are from Germany. We have 700 watts, and it is uh, 80 plus bronze. So yeah, it has a nice cable management, It's better, quieter, more reliable, and I hope it works pretty fine. We have some cables in it. This is a pretty nice unit, PS unit. Smells pretty nice. Manual. Okay, so we're gonna put it down here where there's a spot for the unit, and we can mount it. Bubble wrap, nice. For all of you who like to pop these bubbles. I think I'm gonna put it so the fan blows up. I'm not sure. Up or down? Down. So this is semi-modular PSP unit, power supply unit. So it has for the motherboard and what is this? For the CPU, and we got some extensions for drivers, PC1, PCI Express, PCI Express 2. So yeah, we got those cables in the box. We also got the screws here and some don't eat that. Also for the power cable, and we got some for SATA power. Yeah, these are for the drivers. This is the power supply. It has these extra cable management if you want, if you need. From Be Quiet, nice logo here. And yeah, this is it, guys. Let's install this one. Okay guys, we did some cable management and I think it's okay for now. And we have still one component, one PC part left. And this way. Pop. Okay guys, we have our last PC part here. It's the graphics card. We have GeForce RTX 2017 Super with 8 gigabytes of memory. Okay, so let's open this bad boy. I just want to mention new GPUs are coming soon, also CPUs, so make sure to wait and buy it later, cause yeah, I didn't know, but no problem. We have this bad boy now. It's still good. I was watching the performance. benchmarks, and it works okay. Okay, here it is. We have some manuals here. Thank you for purchasing. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful graphics card from Asus GeForce, of course, RTX. And it's going off. Beautiful.